Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering two questions that you have left me, in relation to a video I made about removing the timing belt tensioner stud in a 2000 TDI BKP engine. I'll leave you the link in case you haven't seen it. The first question is, why does the stud have such a long thread? Let's see. The thread is so long, to be able to extract it, using the extraction tool. If you do not have this tool, you can also do the technique that you see there, of the nut in the counter nut, so it can be easily removed. Another question that you have left me is that, some distribution kits are for the BKP engine, or the BKD, do not come with that stud. My advice is, then, buy another distribution kit that does. Because that stud should always be changed. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.